Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Tranont's newest health product that isn't even on the market yet, and is proprietary to Tranont. So they just announced this product that's going to be coming out. Well, some people have access to it already, or had access to it, but they just announced it at their convention in August of 2021 that this is the new product. It's called Nourish. And I'm super excited about this one just for the fact that I've been looking to get more healthy. I'm not bad, but I'm trying to get like more and more healthy in shape and everything like that. So the shape that I want, not the round shape, but the good shape. So with that, we're going to dive right into this video and we're going to talk about what this is and what this can do for you and why I'm so excited about this to get my hands on this to actually to try it out and to use it to help me improve my life and my health. So it's called Nourish. It's actually a GOS prebiotic meal replacement. And if you don't know what the GOS is, that's fine. It's okay. I'll be bringing you more information about that one. It's a health product that is not. This is the first time I think it's being. From what the creator of this at the event said, this is the first time that this will be available to the United States. Not a meal replacement, but just the GOS part. So it hasn't been released in the United States yet, and there's nothing on the market like this. So I'm going off what they said. So with that, we're going to get into what this is and how, I guess, in the future you can get your hands on it and why this is so good. So this actually will be providing you, provides natural skincare benefits. So this is a meal replacement that's going to help provide natural skincare benefits. Yeah, you heard me right. Natural skincare benefits from a meal replacement. It's crazy. A better meal replacement experience and improves gut health because everything, like 80%, I think it's 80 or 90% of your immune system, all the issues that you have in life starts in the gut. Your gut health is important. You know how people say, I have a gut feeling? That's where they get it from, your gut health. So that's huge alone by itself. Now, there are, I think there is two types of flavors. You have the Nourish coconut cream and Nourish brownie batter. So I haven't tried them. They offered some samples at their convention. I didn't partake in it. I was like, yeah, I'm not worried about it right now. Actually, I won't lie to you. I was like grubbing out on Vegas food, so it's all good. When I go to Vegas, I pig out. So I eat bad. I was like, I'll just get it when I come back. So I'm actually waiting. I was able to pre-order some. I'm waiting for my shipment to come in and try it like right then. But it should be coming in any time now. Probably by the time this video launches. So stay tuned for a review video on my review for personal review for Nourish. I actually have the coconut cream ordered and the brownie batter order, and it's pretty cool. So I can't wait to use that one because I actually have been trying smoothies lately and like basically doing my own stuff. I've been using the Mojo coffee in my smoothies, and it's fruit smoothies and vegetables like kale and all stuff like that, and throw a little bit of Mojo. But this is not a Mojo video. That'll be enough for another video. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with those. And but yeah, so I'm excited to use this one as a meal supplement, a replacement, because that's gonna. I just can't wait to try it out and bring my results back to you guys. So this is what it looks like. You see right there. This is the coconut. Let's see if we can switch it to the. This is the brownie batter. Okay. Go back to the coconut. So yeah. So we'll go over this right here. A beauty shake with nutritional benefits. Nourish delivers 15 grams of protein. That's pretty good. 15 grams of protein. So I've been drinking protein shakes, and they have some on the market that has more protein, but I guess I can use 2 scoops and get the same amount. I've been drinking these, Farm Life, and it's worked pretty good. But this has 30 protein grams. This is not Tranont. This is actually got this from Costco. But 15 grams, and I can just do 2 scoops. A mere 180 calories. I'm looking at this right here. This is 150 calories in every serving. But this tastes like, this tasty shake is packed with more than just nutritional value. It also has clinically proven cosmetic benefits thanks to we call it GOS. I'm not going to pronounce that one. This beauty shake promotes healthier and more resilient skin through improved hydration, that's good, and reduced redness, irritation, photosensitivity, and wrinkles. So basically, it helps your skin, tightens your skin, helps your skin hydrate and everything. Gives a lot of benefits. So this is going to be good. Basically, the way they described it was a day at the spa. So by drinking this, you can actually have help your skin and your gut health too. What's this description? Prebiotic meal replacement shake filled with plant-based proteins, B vitamins, chelated minerals, that's good, and proteolytic enzyme blend, and skin enriching collagen and GOS. So yeah, that's good stuff right there. This one right here, description how to use it: mix 1 scoop of powder with water or your beverage of choice. So my daughter, she said that she's gonna try some. I'm gonna try it myself. She actually already tried it, I think, but I think she got hers already. But coconut water, I'm gonna mix my coconut water because coconut water is good for you. So double whammy. But yeah, so I can't wait to try this and let you guys know. So this is the supplemental facts. I know you guys can't see it, so just go to the website, click on the link below, and go to the website, and you can check out yourself the supplemental facts on it and what is it all is in it. But yeah, guys, this is awesome. Improved gut health. GOS is a prebiotic fiber that acts as food for the good bacteria in your intestines to improve the regulations of your local microflora for a healthier microbiome. I said it, wow. And we paired GOS with a powerful superfood blend to help nourish your biome, and fuel the healthy flora in your intestines and improve digestion. That's awesome. Don't really know what all this does, but I know it's gonna make me feel better in my gut. A better meal replacement experience. Your body wants and needs food, which is why we recreated biofermented vitamins and chelated minerals to closely imitate how real natural food enters and interacts with your body. As a result, these nutrients are better absorbed and in turn better utilized by the body. That's awesome. So you get more nutrients where you're supposed to go, so you're not getting as much waste. Provides natural skin care benefits. Nourish supports more than just digestion. Packed with GOS, it also offers clinically proven benefits on skins. We already talked about that, and increased hydration through the improvement of the barrier functions of the skin and higher protection against photo aging, as well as reduced redness, inflammation, and wrinkles. Awesome right there. A balanced gut is the key to healthy skin. This is an undeniable relationship between the gut microbiome and the skin. Nourish rebalances the ratio of good bacteria in your microflora, leading to lower inflammation and oxidative stress, and improved skin health. GOS also makes probiotics that helps to improve gut acidity for better water and mineral absorption in the colon, strengthens the gut for a better gut barrier, and improves immune functions. I'm excited for this, guys. You can get on the website. The website's in the description below. Also in the comment section, it's pinned, so you can get it there. So I'm super excited to get this one. I'm gonna do 2 reviews on both flavors, let you guys know how they taste, and I will do an update on how it's working for me. So hopefully you got some value from this one, guys. Hopefully you want to try this. If you do, this information is in the description below, also in the pinned comment section below too. If you have any questions or comments about this one when this comes out, or even before it comes out, feel free to comment. I do respond. Also, you can contact me directly on my cell phone. My number's in the description below. You can text me or call me. I will respond. That's my direct line, my cell phone. Also, if this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. And yep, that's the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, hit all. And because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan Depaul just put out a new video. And you like this last one, so check out this one. So with that, guys, hope you got some good value from this one. And until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.